Yeah, so I had a sticky front brake, and solution in the end was this little guy. It was too tight. So why it was too tight is this cable tie had snapped. It holds the handguard on. And then because this cable tie had broken, the handguard could pivot over there, but because the screw was too tight, it held it in that position. And when it's holding it in that position, it's kind of locking the brake. So yeah, the solution was to loosen that screw so that this thing could freely come back and not push on this little piston. And yeah, I just need to put the new cable tie on, and that shouldn't happen anymore.